Hi, it's Hard Reset and today we're gonna do an opening of KOBO Clara Colour. So I have it right here, and let's first see if we need to cut some tapes. I think so. No, it was cut by someone else already, so just unpack it, please. Okay, so what do we have in here? We have our reader that I don't know how to take off. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now we have the quick start guide, the warranty, I think, the charger, so just the typical things, and that's it. So first, maybe let's plug it in, but I don't have any outlet right now, so give me a second. And now I have one, so let's plug it in. First to an outlet and to our reader. Okay, it blinks, so it is charging. Here is the power on button. Oh my god, it looks like a real book. First, we need to just do a setup, but that's it from an opening. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.